Hi, Armstrong. I wonder what happened to my leash. Stacy.
What's drinking here for?
Is that a snack? What are you doing, baby? You're in my row. You're adorable. This is short little teapot. Short and stout. Will you quit following me? All right, you got him? Tom is giving me the stink eye again. He's like, oh, I'm so over this, Mom. I'll just let Tom come out with this. Tom, come on, Tom. He touched my foot. I gotta clean it. Come on. That's good. Let's do it. Tom not liking it. No. Told you Tom's not liking it. He's coming on too strong. Too much energy. They feel threatened. I wouldn't think that's a good fit with a kid. But he's not aggressive.
He's not aggressive, but he might be a little.
But he is staring Tom down, though. He is staring him down.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's not do that. Come on, Tom. You do it, baby.